development officer will maintain proper records, plans, and accountability mechanism. But these contributions we propose that should go to the clan, not to us, for their own organization. It is not our responsibility.
Procedure, Mr. Speaker.
Procedure. Honorable Alex.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I am Honorable Opio Richard, representing Majali Sub-County, Alex. According to standard rules of procedure for local government councils in Uganda, revised in 2019, Rule 12, Sub-Rule 2B, it states, sittings shall be held anytime between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. on official working days. Mr. Speaker, sir, we are 7 minutes past 5. Are we procedurally right to proceed beyond 5? Mr. Speaker, sir, I therefore move that we extend the council business for another 30 minutes. I beg to submit. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Alex. That was a motion. Somebody to second it. Honorable Bagisu, Obol.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Comrades, all invited. Mr. Speaker, sir, looking at the matters for the council, I want to second the motion with amendment that we should proceed for the next 2 hours. Thank you. Okay, that we should proceed for the next 1 hour. At least 1 hour.
Thank you. Looking at the items in the order paper, we do not have much. We are actually now 70% done. I think we can proceed for 1 hour. Thank you. Chair, you can proceed.
You're going to start.
I will ask the sergeant to pick my speech and give the councillors, and so I can just summarize, so we act within time. Anyway, I wanted to test if they are present. Your colleagues are also here. In my tenure as the chairperson LC5 of Kakwa district, I think it is important that for the young people of our district, we have a Kakwa district youth football league. Over 70% of our population is youth. If empowered, they are our greatest assets. If neglected, they are vulnerable. We shall organize the Kakwa District Youth Football League for all the sub-counties and UPDF in partnership with sub-county councils, the district football associations, the referees association, district sports department, the National Council of Sports, and telecom companies. I will ask that you give to the councillors.